Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download IntelliJ IDEA community on your computer. So for downloading that you have to open any web browser. So now here on the web browser search for the IntelliJ IDEA community edition download. Now go to first link, download IntelliJ IDEA. Now here is a button, so cut this, and now here is a button, download. Click on this to start downloading. So just wait till the downloading starts. So here you can see downloading has been started. So this will take a few seconds according to your internet speed. So let's wait till the downloading ends. So now as you can see here, downloading has been completed. Now double click it to launch the installer. Now just wait till the installer launches. It can take a few seconds according to your PC configuration. So now here you can see it is showing welcome to IntelliJ IDEA setup. Now click on next. So now choose the location where you want to install the IntelliJ IDEA. So I am letting it be the default location. Now again click on next. Now tick mark this and then again click on okay, so tick mark this too, and then again click on next, then I click on install. So now here you can see it is installing. Can take a few seconds to a minute according to your PC configuration. So now here you can see downloading and installation has been completed. Now click on finish. Now press on the window key and then search here for the IntelliJ IDEA. So here you can see it is showing. Now click on open to launch it. So here you can see IntelliJ IDEA is gonna launch. So just wait for a second till this is launching. So here you can see it is now launched, and you can create a new project by clicking here on the new project. So this is how you can download IntelliJ IDEA community on your computer and can install it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.